Did you know that more than 50% of people prefer podcasts as the primary way of learning? And with AI, nowadays it's possible to create this podcast from just simple notes. If you want to know how, watch this video till the end. Hey guys, my name is Vlad and I'm really happy to see all of you again today. Thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for your support. In today's video, we're gonna talk about something special. Today I'm going to show you how I convert my plain text, my plain notes into meaningful podcast with NotebookLM. It's completely free and it's amazing. I recommend you watch this video till the end because it's really cool. If you are ready, then let's get started. In this video, we are going to use NotebookLM from Google. If you haven't heard about this tool yet, I recommend you watch my other video. Here's the link. To keep it short, NotebookLM is a AI-powered tool designed to help users simplify, organize, and transform their notes. And one of its standout features is the ability to convert text into audio, essentially creating podcasts from notes. But actually, not only notes, you can use different websites, YouTube videos, plain text, Google Docs, Google Slides, and so on. From all of these sources, you can create podcasts. Let me show you one simple example how I can convert YouTube video into podcasts. All you need to do, just paste the link to the video. Then NotebookLM will provide you a short summary about the video. You can make sure that is correct. Then, once you're ready, you can click that blue generate button at the right corner, and NotebookLM will start generate podcast. It could take up to 5 minutes, so keep patient. Depend on size of your video or your text. Once it's finished, you will see this simple audio player. To see the result, just simply click this play button. You can download the podcast, you can change the playback speed, or you can delete the podcast. Another cool thing is that you can make this podcast public and then you can share the link. It's really convenient if you create it in your computer and then you want to listen it on your mobile. Okay, let's try to listen the result.
Hey everyone, ready to really boost your research and content creation game?
Always.
Well, today we're doing a deep dive into AI-powered research assistants.
Sounds cool.
Specifically, we're going to be looking at a recent YouTube video that compares NotebookLM and Perplexity Spaces.
All right.
These are two tools that promise to kind of make research a breeze.
Yeah.
One even lets you turn your notes into like audio summaries.
Oh, wow.
Imagine listening to your research while you're out on a walk.
That's amazing.
The other tool acts like a personal knowledge base,
Interesting.
like blending your files with web searches.
Okay.
To help us unpack all of this, we've got an expert here with us,
Happy to be here.
someone who really knows their way around research tools.
It really is amazing how quickly these tools are.
As you can see, the quality is really amazing. I'm personally using it to convert huge articles into audio. It's much easier to listen on the go or during your exercises. It's also possible to do these kind of things with the plain text. Just copy the text, then open NotebookLM and create new notebook and paste your plain text. Then click Insert button. And after that, click Generate. And that's it. So simple. One more important thing that I would like to know, you can customize the audio. You can give different instructions and you can ask AI to make certain focus on specific subject or specific part of the article. I'm going to leave the link to full podcast that I showed you previously under the description for this video, so you can see the result. And the best thing is that this tool is completely free. That's it. As you could see, the podcast quality is really good. It's really useful, and I recommend you give it a try, because in this way, you can learn things from different angle, and you can understand it a little bit better. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. If you haven't clicked like yet, please click like. If you don't like this video, it's fine. Please click like, share this video with your friends, and leave for me feedback in comments below. Tell me what you don't like, and I will try to improve it. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.